You are a GPO. Your organization is using an LLM to process personal data. Your vendor's DPA says data is purged after each session. Can you prove it? Not. Can the vendor prove it? Can you, the data protection officer who carries the legal responsibility, prove it to a regulator? That distinction is what this video is about. I'm Mathilde Hormy, founder of Scanalysis. I'm going to walk you through exactly what proof of erasure means at the physical memory level and what a forensic report that satisfies regulatory requirement actually looks like. Let's start with the regulation. So, GDPR Article 5, personal data must be kept no longer than necessary. GDPR Article 22, you must implement appropriate technical measures to ensure the security of processing, including protection against unauthorized access and accidental destruction or loss. Article 22 does not say have a contract with your vendor. It says implement technical measures. Most DPOs managing AI deployment currently rely on the vendor's DPA, which contractually commits to data erasure, application logs, which record that a purge routine was called, vendor security certification, ESO, SOC 2. None of these are technical proof of erasure. A contract records an obligation. It doesn't record whether that obligation was fulfilled at the byte level. A log records that a function was called del free garbage collector, not that the underlying memory was overwritten. ESO certifies governance of security processes. It doesn't certify that specific bytes in RAM were zeroed. This is not a criticism of your vendors or your existing compliance framework. It's a description of what these instruments were designed to do and what they were not designed to do. Is what happens at the physical memory level. When your LLM processes a request, a patient query, a financial document, a legal contract, it loads that data into volatile memory, RAM. It processes it, it generates a response. Then it calls its cleanup routine. The cleanup routine marks those memory addresses as available. It doesn't overwrite the bytes. The data is still physically present until those addresses are reallocated by the operating system. That window between the declared purge and the physical overwrites is the gap that no log captures, and it's the gap that a regulator or an adversary can exploit. Here is how Scanalysis closes that gap. We inject 8 cryptographic markers, synthetic data in realistic format, into your AI system. Identity data, health records, financial information, authentication token. Each marker is unique to the audit session. It cannot be mistaken for real data. Your team executes the standard purge, whatever you normally do to clean a session. Your team generates a memory dump using a standard operating system tool, Gcore or Linux, ProcDump on Windows. You control what you submit. We never access your infrastructure. No agent, no SSH, no source code. We scan the dump byte by byte. And we check for every encoding variant of every marker. The verdict is binary. Amnesia confirmed, all markers are gone, the memory is clean, really clean. we can state that with cryptographic certainty and amnesia failed, at least one marker remains. We provide the exact memory address, the XDump of the surrounding byte. The category of data that persists. The record is 32 pages. It contains the audit scope, the injection methodology, the scan result, the verdict, and the forensic evidence. It's sealed with SHA and we hash of the complete record, computing before delivery. It's signed with RSA. Your private key signs the hash. It's timestamped by a third-party authority and independent timestamp that cannot be retroactively falsified. Any third party, your regulator, your external auditor, a court, can verify this report with a single OpenSSL command. They don't need access to Scanalys. They verify the mathematical proof. Under GDPR Article 32, this report is technical evidence of the implementation of appropriate security measures, not a declarative statement, but a forensic result. Under the European Union AI Act Article 10, this report demonstrates data governance at the physical memory level, the standard that the new regulation is progressively requiring. Under DORA Article 25 for financial sector organization, this report constitutes ICT risk management evidence for the specific risk of data persistence in AI system. If you are a GPO and your current answer to can you prove the LLM forgot is a vendor DPA, that's a gap worth closing before August 2026. The link below goes directly to my address mail. 30 minutes and I will show you what the report looks like and whether your current deployment is in scope. The hash doesn't lie.